The YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th chemistry chapter chemical reactions, and this is our part 11. So first in this in this part we will learn factors that favor chemical reactions. So, factors that affect chemical reactions, there are total 5 factors. First is contact. Second is, first is contact, then it's 2 types after that. Supply of energy, it's second. Third is application of pressure. After that, fourth is catalyst. And the fifth one is enzymes. So first topic is contact. Number of reaction takes place if the reactants are kept apart. For them to react, they should be in contact with each other. The contact can be increased by the following ways, and the first way is powdering or grinding of reactants, and second is reactants in solution state. Reaction in solution state. So first, powdering or grinding of reactants. This increases the effective surface area of the reactants and hence the extent of contact increases. Consider the reaction of hydrochloric acid with large marble chips and smaller marble chips to understand it. Like if this is the figure, the figures are large marble chips and small marble chips. Like this. These are small and these are large. From the above figure, it is clear that number of collisions are less when the surface area of CaCO3 is less. When the marble chips are powdered or broken into smaller particles, the surface is increased, thereby increasing the number of collisions between the marble chips and HCl molecules. This increases the rate of reaction. Thus, more is the surface area, more is the rate of reaction. In second, reactants in solution state. When reactants are taken in solution state, a closer contact is achieved more quickly by the reactant particles. Examples: oxalic acid and sodium carbonate do not react on mere mixing. When water is added, both form a solution and increase the contact, favoring more reaction, which proceeds rigorously. Second is supply of energy. So in that there are many types of energy. First is heat. Second is electrical. Third is sound energy. And fourth is light energy. So in heat energy, the effect is most of the reactions are brought about by heating the reactants together. Heating initiates the reacting particles to move faster and collide more frequently. Second type of energy is like that. Next is electrical. A few reactions are brought about by passing electric current through the reactants. The reactants split up into ions and then move to the opposite electrodes, forming new compounds. Sound effect is certain chemical reactions proceed by absorption of sound energy. This energy speeds up the reacting molecules, atoms or ions, causing a reaction to occur. Light effect. Some reactions are influenced by the presence of light. The molecule of the reactants absorb light and become active to react rapidly. Third is application of pressure. When reactants are subjected to pressure, the reacting molecules agglomerate. Increase of pressure also results in more number of collisions among reactant particles, resulting in more product formation. Example is like N2 plus 3H2 by heating 2NH3. This is the value. Example. Fourth is catalyst. Catalyst means the rate of reaction can be altered by a catalyst. The catalyst itself does not undergo any change chemically or quantitatively, and the example is 2H2O2 after heating gives 2H2O plus O2. The reactant particles of every reaction require certain amount of energy is called activation energy to initiate a reaction. The role of a catalyst is to affect the activation energy. If it lowers the activation energy, the reaction proceeds faster. So, after that, enzymes or biochemical catalysts. Enzymes are also known as biocatalysts. Biochemical. Biochemical catalyst. Biochemical catalyst. After that, enzyme production and function. Enzymes are amylase, pepsin, trypsin. Amylase production is saliva. Pepsins production is stomach, and trypsins production is pancreas. Amylase saliva's function is helps in the decomposition of starch into sugar. Pepsin stomach function is helps in breaking down of proteins into amino acids. Trypsin pancreas function is helps in breaking down of starch, fats and proteins into simpler molecules of sugar, glucose and amino acids. I hope you have understood these 5 types with the examples in detail, everything. Like this is the part 11. In part 12 we'll learn about one more concepts of 2 types. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. Thank you for watching.